Elsa and Anna lived happily in Arendelle, a kingdom filled with joy and laughter. Elsa, the Snow Queen, had magical powers of ice and snow. Anna, her younger sister, had no magic, but her heart was filled with courage and kindness. One sunny morning, Elsa and Anna decided to explore the forests beyond Arendelle. They laughed and chatted as they wandered deeper into the beautiful woods. Suddenly, they discovered a hidden entrance covered by thick vines and glowing flowers. Anna pushed the vines aside, and they saw a shimmering gate. Elsa touched the gate gently, and it opened, glowing with soft blue light. Stepping inside, they found an enchanted land filled with sparkling snow and blooming flowers. The air was magical, and the sisters felt warmth and peace. They named it Snowflower Valley. As they walked further, Elsa's hands started to glow brighter. "My magic feels stronger here," she said in surprise. Anna smiled, squeezing Elsa's hand. "Maybe your magic knows this place." Soon, they met a friendly creature named Lumi, a small, white snow fox with twinkling eyes. Lumi welcomed them warmly and showed them around Snowflower Valley. Lumi explained, "This valley has been waiting for you. Only the magic of true sisterhood can awaken its full powers." Elsa and Anna looked at each other, puzzled. Lumi added, "Your bond can heal both hearts and kingdoms." Back in Arendelle, people had started to feel sad and lonely without knowing why. Elsa and Anna realized they had to help their kingdom. "How can our sisterhood help Arendelle?" Anna asked Lumi. Lumi replied gently, "By showing your love and unity, you will bring healing magic to your people." Elsa and Anna began practicing their bond in Snowflower Valley. Elsa created magnificent sculptures of ice, while Anna planted beautiful flowers that bloomed instantly. Together, their powers created stunning, magical displays that shimmered brightly, filling the valley with beauty and joy. As their bond grew stronger, Snowflower Valley became brighter and more magical, spreading happiness everywhere. Soon, they decided to bring this healing magic back to Arendelle. Lumi encouraged them, "Remember, your magic is strongest when you work together." Returning to Arendelle, Elsa and Anna held hands tightly. Elsa began creating gentle snowflakes, and Anna held the flowers they had grown. Together, they walked through the kingdom, sharing their creations with the people. As the snowflakes touched the people, sadness faded, replaced by warmth and smiles. The citizens of Arendelle felt a magical warmth in their hearts. "Elsa and Anna's magic healed us," they cheered. Kingdoms nearby heard about this magical healing. Soon, people came from far and wide, hoping to feel Elsa and Anna's powerful bond. Elsa and Anna realized their magic was even more special when shared with others. They held festivals where people could enjoy ice sculptures and beautiful gardens together. One day, a queen from a neighboring kingdom came, feeling very sad. Elsa gently placed snowflakes in her hands, and Anna handed her a bouquet of glowing flowers. Instantly, the queen smiled, feeling warmth in her heart. "Your bond has truly healed me," she said gratefully. Elsa and Anna felt proud of their sisterhood. They realized that their magic was not just about ice or flowers. It was about love, friendship, and unity. Every day, they visited Snowflower Valley to strengthen their bond. Lumi greeted them happily each time, proud of their growth. Soon, Snowflower Valley became a place where people visited to learn about unity and friendship. Years passed, and Elsa and Anna became known as the Snow Sisters, beloved for their kindness and healing magic. Their bond continued to grow stronger, inspiring others to value family, friendship, and love. Arendelle became a kingdom known for its warmth, unity, and magical sisters who had unlocked the greatest magic of all, love. Elsa and Anna often shared their story with children, reminding everyone that true magic lies in the heart. And in Snowflower Valley, Lumi always smiled, knowing that Elsa and Anna had unlocked the secret power that healed hearts and kingdoms forever.